Hey guys, it's Mike. I'm the social media manager here at eHow, and while we love your guys' comments and feedback, today we're going to focus on some of the stranger and not so nice comments we've seen on our social media lately, so stay tuned to see if your comment made the cut. That soup would blow everything out. Better stay home, close the bathroom. I don't know if they're saying that as a positive or a negative. The word baked means in an oven. These are not baked potatoes. There is nothing like a really baked potato. Nothing. That's not how you spell potato. No and don't give a damn. Overpaid Holly idiots. And the Oscar for most petty comment goes to Chic, you gotta be kinnin'. Okay. Wait, I did not see this one before. It just says F you. Why? I think my 5-year-old could knock up something better than that. You have a very talented 5-year-old. I threw it in the dishwasher this morning. Why do you ask? Not a good way to clean your laptop. Nope, I don't even want to eat one of them. More for us. Drill holes in a board. It's like a how-to video showing how to put a coat hook on a wall or how to close your eyes. We could do a how-to video on that if you want one. Because nothing says I love you like a yeast infection. That one just gets the stare. It looks like you could pound a nail in a board with a piece of it. I mean, try it and send us your results. I'm looks like a brick of birdseed. I don't even know what to say to that. Alright guys, that's all we have for now, but if you keep those weird comments coming, we'll keep reading them. Until next time.